Great. Great. We got that on film. That's great.
I can't tell if that was intentional or that's just where his finger like ended up.
Are you gonna eat your egg? Do you like it? You're eating it. That's like your 5th or 6th piece of egg, Cholula. Do you not know how you feel?
He has many feelings.
Do you want more cheese or do you want water? Water?
Water?
Boom.